We have a 1954 David Bradley Tri-Cut. Look at this lawnmower. This is great.
Yo,
oh my
imagine
God.
this thing going like 100 miles per hour.
Oh, the 100-mile-an-hour tire. That would be funny. So wait, hey, Tyler, you like to mow on something like this, huh?
Yes.
All right, this is what they used to look like back then. Here's your controls, Tyler. You sit there. Your steering wheel, look at that. Well, not really a steering wheel, a steering handle. And your motor right here, Tyler, look at that.
It looks like a motor. And we got
All
the
your
leaf.
gears,
We got the
drive is all in the back. Look at that.
We got the leaf.
All right, there you go. The David Bradley from 1954. We were at Blaine, Pennsylvania, Heritage Day. See ya.